everyone, welcome to enthralling and fascinating facts. Today's topic is plastids. Now, plastids are organelles which are found only in plant cell and some unicellular organisms like Euglena. They are surrounded by two membranes and develop from the small bodies called proplastids found in the meristematic regions. Plastids are of three types mainly. They are chloro, chromo and leuco. Now, chloroplasts they are associated with the chlorophyll, so they are green pigment. They are green in color, and they are found mainly in leaves and green stems, especially the green parts of a plant. And they trap sunlight or light energy for photosynthesis. They can perform photosynthesis. Now, the chromoplasts, chromo or chroma means color. All right, so they contains color. Colors of various types like xanthophyll and carotenoid. They have colors like red, orange, yellow pigments. They also have green color, which is chlorophyll, but the green color is in very small amount. So these are not capable of performing photosynthesis. So they are non-photosynthetic. So they are found in fruits. This color chromoplasts, they are found in fruits, flowers, like fruits like carrot, red pepper, and they also act as vitamin A in animal tissues. Now, leucoplasts, they are found in roots. Roots are mainly colorless. So obviously leucoplasts are colorless. They are non-photosynthetic. They lack any pigment, all right, although they have the capacity of develop pigments when required. Abundant in storage organelles like roots, seeds and young leaves, etc. All right. So but some students, they do a mistake by writing white in cases of leucoplasts. Please don't write white, because white contains 7 colors, which is VIVGR, which you have studied in physics. All right, so don't write white, write colorless like water. So leucoplasts, they are colorless. Chromoplasts, they contains colors like carotene and xanthophyll, and chloroplasts, they contains green pigment. Now, structure of plastids. Plastids are bounded by two membranes. Plastids contain their own genetic material, DNA, and protein synthesis machinery like RNA and ribosomes. They are capable of multiplication by fusion like process. Now, functions. The most important function of chloroplast is photosynthesis, which is to trap the radiant energy of sunlight and transform it into chemical energy. All right, so this brings us to the end of this chapter. Now, if you liked my video and liked my explanation, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want to know more about the endomembrane system and about mitochondria and about my other videos, then you can go down to the links which I have provided in the description box. I am now currently covering the topic cell, so I am currently giving all the important terminology and everything on cells. So please do check them out if you like my video and they helped you in your studies. Thank you.